I recommend just like copy these pictures into ChatGPT or into Gemini and then ask it to make similar designs or similar flavored designs. So I've got a few designs here that I made from Gemini, ChatGPT, Photoshop, a little bit of a combo of all of them, but they're based on designs that I saw that were working very well. So one of them was, I think, like California, maybe poppies, I forget what it was. But anyway, I looked up some of the most popular flowers out there. Roses, obviously, marigolds, obviously. And I had some other ones that daffodils. Some other ones I saved as well. I didn't download them. And then I made a slight, I just had it make a different design. So you can see this one I think could look really cool on like a dark weathered, like deep gray or almost black shirt. We've got, instead of the trout, you've got, a walleye, perch, and some bass on there. You've got the destination one instead of Amalfi Coast, the Lofoten Islands. So kind of just similar flavors of what worked, but focused on different categories entirely. And just for your own reference, here are some of my observations I found. I recommend writing them down in a notebook as you research. Actually, this entire process, a notebook is super helpful, just to keep your ideas in one place in case you come back to this day after day. But again, you see a lot of like ink stamping, vintage appearance, a lot of retro clothing. Comfort colors did really well. Sometimes song lyrics or titles. Be careful not to use anything that's copyrighted. So you don't want to use like a band's name and logo, for example, but you can use some things that are similar flavors to that might appeal to those audiences.